If you've forgotten your Bitstamp password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Bitstamp login page. Go to the official Bitstamp website and click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Bitstamp account in the designated field and click on the Submit button. This will initiate the password reset process. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Bitstamp containing a password reset link. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you've successfully reset your password, you can log into your Bitstamp account with your new credentials. Always remember to keep your password secure and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security.